Welcome to the ultimate Norway travel guide. Explore the stunning natural wonders and must-see landmarks of Norway, from iconic fjords to picturesque villages. Get ready to be amazed by Norway's beauty. Planning your next trip? Don't miss out on these jaw-dropping destinations. Discover famous spots like the Northern Lights, Bergen, Lofoten Islands, and more. Adventure awaits with hiking, sightseeing, and unforgettable experiences in Norway's top destinations. Oslo, the capital city, known for its modern architecture, museums, and scenic waterfront. Visit the Vigeland Sculpture Park, featuring over 200 life-sized sculptures. Explore the Oslo Opera House, an architectural masterpiece with views over the fjord. Stroll along the vibrant Aker Brygge waterfront, filled with restaurants and shops. Bergen, a beautiful coastal city surrounded by 7 mountains and deep fjords. Wander through the Bergen Wharf, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its colorful wooden buildings. Take a scenic ride on the Fjorden funicular for a stunning panoramic view of the city. Experience the fish market offering fresh seafood and local delicacies. Geirangerfjord Fjord, one of the most famous fjords in the world, known for its majestic cliffs and waterfalls. Go on a boat tour to see breathtaking views of the fjord and surrounding mountains. Hike up to dazzling for panoramic views of the fjord from above. A must-visit for nature lovers and photographers. Trolltunga, a unique rock formation that juts out over the lake below, offering an adrenaline-pumping hike. The hike to Trolltunga is challenging but rewards visitors with awe-inspiring views of the surrounding landscape. The iconic rock ledge has become one of Norway's most Instagrammable spots. Lofoten Islands, known for their dramatic mountain peaks, picturesque fishing villages, and crystal-clear waters. Visit Rain, a small village surrounded by majestic mountains, for stunning photo opportunities. Explore the Lofoten War Memorial Museum and learn about the region's history. A paradise for nature enthusiasts, photographers, and outdoor adventurers. Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis. Norway is one of the best places to witness the Northern Lights, especially in the Tromsø region. Tromsø is also famous for its stunning Arctic scenery and winter activities. Join a guided tour to chase the Northern Lights and experience one of nature's most spectacular phenomena. Preikestolen, Pulpit Rock, a massive rock formation that rises 604 meters above Lysfjord. The hike to Preikestolen is challenging but rewards visitors with one of the best views in Norway. The rock is famous for its flat top, making it a perfect spot for photographs. It's a must-see for hikers and nature lovers. Svalbard, a remote Arctic archipelago, known for its dramatic landscapes, glaciers, and wildlife. Go on a snowmobile tour to explore the icy wilderness or take a boat tour to see glaciers up close. Visit Longyearbyen, the northernmost town in the world with a population. Svalbard offers a truly unique Arctic experience. Stavanger, a charming city known for its old wooden houses, beautiful beaches, and rich history. Visit the Norwegian Petroleum Museum to learn about the region's oil history. The nearby Lysfjord and Kuragbolten are popular spots for outdoor adventures. Stavanger is a gateway to Norway's rugged western coastline. Rondane National Park, a vast national park known for its stunning mountain ranges, glaciers, and deep valleys. Great for hiking, with trails suitable for all levels, from beginners to experienced trekkers. The park is home to Norway's wild reindeer and a variety of bird species. Explore the untouched wilderness and discover the natural beauty of Norway. Bovedalen Valley, a beautiful valley known for its lush meadows and dramatic cliffs. The valley is a great place for hiking and offers stunning views of the Jotunheimen Mountains. Visit the Bovedalen River for a peaceful walk along the water or enjoy a scenic drive through the valley. Voss, a picturesque village surrounded by mountains and lakes, perfect for outdoor activities. Known for its adventure sports, including skydiving, paragliding, and whitewater rafting. Explore Vangsvatnet Lake for serene views of the surrounding mountains. Voss is a paradise for thrill-seekers and nature lovers alike. Oslofjord. Oslofjord is a stunning waterway surrounded by lush islands and charming villages. Take a boat tour to explore the islands and enjoy scenic views of the fjord and the city. Hovedøya Island and Nakken Island are popular spots for hiking, swimming, and picnicking. Oslofjord is a perfect escape for nature and water lovers. Ålandsfjord, a stunning fjord in the Sogn-og-Fjordane region, known for its steep cliffs and clear waters. Visit the Ålandsdalen Valley, a popular hiking route offering breathtaking views of the fjord. Stegerstein Viewpoint offers panoramic views of Ålandsfjord. A must-visit destination for hiking enthusiasts and nature lovers. Kongsberg, known for its silver mines and rich cultural heritage. Visit the Kongsberg Church, an impressive 18th-century church with beautiful interior designs. Explore the Norwegian Mining Museum to learn about the history of silver mining in the area. Kongsberg is a hidden gem for history and culture enthusiasts. Fjord, a breathtaking fjord in western Norway known for its steep cliffs, waterfalls, and lush orchards. Visit the Fjord Bridge, one of the largest suspension bridges in Norway. Enjoy the scenic drive along the fjord and stop at the charming villages dotting the coastline. A perfect destination for those looking to experience the best of Norway's fjords. Henningsvær, a small fishing village in the Lofoten Islands, known for its picturesque setting. Visit the Lofoten Aquarium and learn about the local marine life. Explore the local art scene and enjoy the view of the surrounding mountains and coastline. A peaceful and beautiful destination for a quiet retreat. Kjøragbolten, a massive boulder wedged between two cliffs over Lysfjord. The hike to Kjøragbolten is challenging but offers one of the most thrilling experiences in Norway. Stand on the rock and take in the spectacular views of the fjord below. A must-see for adventurers and those seeking breathtaking views. Ålesund, a coastal town known for its stunning Art Nouveau architecture. Visit Axla Viewpoint for panoramic views of the town, surrounding islands, and mountains. Explore the local museums and discover the town's fascinating maritime history. Ålesund offers a combination of history, architecture, and stunning scenery. Lillehammer, visit the Myhaugen Open-Air Museum for a glimpse into Norwegian history and culture. Explore the nearby Hafjell ski resort for skiing and snowboarding during winter months. A top destination for winter sports enthusiasts and cultural explorers. Rondane National Park, known for its beautiful mountain ranges, glaciers, and valleys. A haven for hikers, it offers trails suitable for all levels. The park is home to wild reindeer and diverse wildlife, making it perfect for nature lovers. Fjord, known for its picturesque views with steep cliffs, lush orchards, and cascading waterfalls. A prime location for hiking, kayaking, and enjoying the natural beauty. Visit Fjord Bridge, one of Norway's largest suspension bridges. Bergen Ridge, a famous hiking trail with stunning views of Lake Gjend and Lake Besvatnet. The challenging hike offers some of the best mountain views in Norway. This iconic trail is a must-do for adventurous travelers. Tromsø, known as the gateway to the Arctic, Tromsø is one of the best places to see the northern lights. It's a great destination for whale watching, dog sledding, and exploring Arctic wildlife. The city is filled with charming wooden houses and an intriguing Arctic history. Alta, famous for its Northern Lights Cathedral and ancient rock carvings. A great destination for those wanting to experience the Arctic region's cultural and natural beauty. Alta is also an ideal spot for winter sports and adventure activities. Fjord, often referred to as the King of the Fjords, it is the longest and deepest fjord in Norway. Explore the fjord by boat or go hiking along the beautiful coastline. The surrounding mountains, glaciers, and villages make it one of the most picturesque locations. Galdhøpiggen, Norway's highest mountain, offering a challenging yet rewarding hike. The summit offers panoramic views of the surrounding valleys and glaciers. A popular spot for mountaineers and adventurous hikers. Varingsfossen Waterfall, one of the most famous waterfalls in Norway, with a drop of 182 meters. The waterfall is located in Hardangervidda National Park and is a must-see for nature lovers. A great spot for photography and to marvel at the power of nature.